Thank you, Lord. It's a beautiful day to be alive. If it's your very first time on this channel, hello. Welcome to the 360 Photo Booth channel. My goal is to make this channel the world's largest channel. Better yet, the world's largest 360 Photo Booth community there's ever been. Imagine that. And I'm thinking real big now because just a couple of months ago, we were like at 200 subscribers. But now the community is over 800 and less than a 2-month span. So that shows me that my efforts and me sharing my 360 photo booth journey with all of you guys and speaking from the heart and calculating things with the mind is really making an impact. And I'm so grateful to be alive. I'm so grateful to have air in these lungs. I do got to work on my cardio though, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm glad to have you guys here. Let me share a really quick story on one thing that really put a smile on my face not too long ago. I'm not gonna say her name because I didn't get her permission, but she messaged me on Instagram and she said, hey, I was about to buy a 360 photo booth. She had a 360 photo booth on her Etsy cart. I think it was close to $3,000. And then she said she came across my channel, my videos, and she ended up buying her 360 photo booth through one of my suppliers. And she got it for like close to $1,500, which means she paid half of what she was going to pay. And I thought to myself, this is great. Now you can take the other half of your budget and spend it on things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need an iPad eventually. You're gonna need a TV tripod. You're gonna need lights. You're gonna need props. You're gonna need things to make your 360 photo booth business a lot more presentable because you're gonna end up charging people for your overall presentation and your overall production. So guys, just remember that one of the things I'm trying to teach you is 1, set up your budget. 2, make sure that your startup cost is low. That way you can get a faster return on your investment. And so my investment, if you guys been following me from the jump, you guys know that I made a few videos. My investment was, my budget was $3,000. And my photo booth was close to $1,600. I bought the 100 centimeter one. That's the one that holds up to 4 to 5 people. I like putting at least 4 people on my 360 photo booth just so that I know that my 360 photo booth is gonna last me a long time. And so that's what I started off with, and then I started buying props, and then I ended up buying cheap props to save money and like buying some on eBay, like not the plastic, but the paper props. And when I received them, I was like, these are flimsy, no one's gonna wanna use these. So then I made another video on where I got some pretty good props. Some of them I got on Amazon, and then the other ones I got from a website called Yo Props. I'm not sponsored by them or have any affiliate or any business with them, so I don't make any money when you guys go on Yo Props and get some of those cool props I shared on that video. Now, moving forward, I want to continue building this community, and I want it to be like how can I say this? Like a family, you know, like an organic family, like people that are connected, people that we're gonna support each other. We're gonna have challenges. And someone's gonna say, hey, well, I had that same challenge. This was my solution. This was what worked for me. And so that's what I'm doing right now by myself, is I'm showing you guys what's working for me. A lot of people in business, and I know this for a fact, and some of you guys can say, yep, I feel you. A lot of people in business don't like sharing their strategies. A lot of people in business don't like sharing their resources. And to me, I think that's bullshit, because it's like, come on, man. Like, why keep it a secret? Like, why? Like, the universe will reward you if you help out others. If you put out positive energy, the universe will reward you. And I know that me sharing a lot of this information, you might think, David, aren't you worried about your competition? Or you guys must be thinking like, like if I help someone in the same state as I am, that no, guys, remember, there are hundreds of parties, of events that go down every week, and we as 360 photo booth, we only have 360 photo booth operators, we only have 1 booth. In fact, here's a fun fact. Just yesterday, someone hit me up from the Los Angeles area, and they said that they needed 6 360 photo booths. I was like, no, I only have 1. And so this was like a huge event they're having. And so he said, oh, no worries. We'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and get your services, and we'll get other 360 photo booths from around the area. So I was amazed that this big company is having a giant event, and they were looking for that many 360 photo booths. So in my mind, I thought like, man, I got a ways to go. because I can buy a second 360 photo booth, but then I need a team that I can rely on, a team that's really going to deliver not just in overall the service, but in customer satisfaction, customer interaction, because your customer service has to be great. You have to treat your customer like with all the respect, because they're gonna send you lots of business. Their event that they're paying you for is the opportunity for your business to get free marketing, because everyone at that event is going to be seeing you at work, is going to be seeing your production happening. So that right there is free marketing, because you're not paying them to see you and your services. They're paying you for your production. So keep that in mind. That's very important. And like I said, I want you guys to succeed and keep on coming with these questions and post them on YouTube. I have some real special things that are going to help you guys out with your 360 photo booth business. You just got to stay tuned in. You got to subscribe. You got to help me build this community. I'll see you guys on the next one. I realize it's already been 5 minutes. All right, peace. Love you. Bye.